Okay, hi guys. So welcome to a tutorial of creation of template using NX10. Most of you guys have noticed that when we create a new file, particularly under drawing, there are some default templates are listed over there. And among these template, if you want to have a template of your own, the process is not that difficult. It is very simple in NX10. All you have to do is go to model and create under blank, create a blank file where you can create your own template. That file can be created at any location. Later on, while saving this file, we will be defining a separate location folder. So here we are in a new NX file. We will be first switching over to drafting application so that we can create a new template over there. Now, depending upon the size of template that you need, you have to set the size of sheet from this dialog box. Pick in my case, I am picking A3, and projection method, first angle or third angle, that can be decided later on from template itself also. Unit, you have to set it here, whether you want it in millimeter or inches. Just say OK. You get into this new sheet over here, and now if you want to create your template, first you have to do is go to drafting tools and place some borders and title blocks. So for here I am starting with a border. All the parameters are there, which you can set. I am changing left side margin to 5 because I want equal margin from all sides. So here I have created a border, and in this border I want to place a title block on lower right corner. So for that I have to, before creating for defining the title block, I have to first create a tabular note. Depending upon the requirement of my title block, I will be setting the parameters, whether I want 5 by 5 or 4 by 4. I will be setting it over here. The location of the title block anchor point, I am picking at lower right, bottom right corner, so that I can place it properly. Title block is ready. Now all I have to do is make some modification to the title block, and I will be defining some default cells. Uh, for example, here I am mentioning the content of 2 cells. Remaining I am keeping it empty, which I can define later on in my file also. If you want, you can also define your company's logo by right clicking on the cell and going into import image and picking browsing for your image files. So I am saving it right now, and once I am done with the title block, I will go to drafting tool and say define title block and pick my table. Now here there are few cells which I want to keep logged, which I don't want to edit later on. So I will be picking those cells and I will be locking them, and remaining cells, in some of cells I want to mention user input. For example, here in this cell I want to say enter date, and for this cell I want to say enter scale, so the user gets an idea what exactly I want, and remaining will be kept as it is. Now once I am done with this, I will be putting everything in my separate layer. Putting everything in a non-selectable layer gives me an advantage that later on, while using this as a template, I do not by mistakenly edit those objects which are supposed to be non-editable. Here I am putting it in layer number 256 and making that layer visible only. Now I will just simply save this file. I will be saving it at a location which is more easily accessible to me. And giving it a name. For example, I am keeping it as my temp 1. Okay, so this is done. I am done with the UG file now. Now all I have to do is I have to define this file as a part of my template. Where can I do that? I have to do it from a folder called C drive program file Siemens NX10 UGIA template folder, or I can also define a template location from my environment variables. I can define a separate variable, and from there I can define the environment variable for the templates. Now in this template folder you have to find out this UGS template dot pax file, drawing template pax file. You have to copy this file to a editable location. For example, in my case I am putting it in F drive so that I can easily edit this file. I will right click and say edit it in Notepad. Now this is a simple HTML based program which I have to edit, and I will be going at the bottom at the last entry. I will copy the last entry and place it just next to it, changing the palette entry to ID number 27 and giving it a name, a proper name, like instead of layout D I will be mentioning it as CCG template. You can have it all in capital letters also. Also you have to mention your units, which is must. Make sure that it matches with the unit of your template file. And last, the most important part that you have to change is you mention the part file name. Make it say my temp1, which is the exactly file name in which you have created your template. So after doing all these changes, you have to save it, and then you have to make sure that you copy both of these files into your template directory. Now in this folder you have to paste those two files. Obviously it will give you an alarm that whether you want to overwrite your existing file. If you are not very much sure, you should always make a backup of your existing installation file, and only after making the backup you have to do this operation. So later on if you make any goof up, that file can be again restored. So I will be saying replace all, and then I have to restart my annexation again. Now when I will create a new file from NX, you make sure that you have to you restart your annexation, because if you don't restart it will be still calling the old values from the system. So now when I will create a new file from NX, under drawing there is over this template file, CCG template is listed over there. Just say OK, and from there as you can see that I have got this particular cells. Maybe I did not press enter for a date. I am getting this enter scale column, say 1:1, and all OK. So this is how you create a template in NX10. Thanks for watching the video.